Hello children, good morning. Do you remember me? I am your Bansri ma'am, and today in numeracy space I am going to teach you a pre-number concept that is full and empty. Can you tell me what is the meaning of full and empty? No? Okay, I am going to explain you through some examples. Are you ready to learn it? Here I have two glasses.
Now tell me, is there anything in this glass? Can you see anything? No, there is nothing in this glass. So we can say that this glass is empty. Empty means nothing inside. Right? Now tell me, is there anything in this glass? Yes, there is orange juice. But tell me, if I want to add some more orange juice in this glass, can I add? No. Why? Because there is no more space. Right? So we can say that this glass is full. Full, empty. Repeat after me. This glass is full and this glass is empty. Hey kids, now tell me, if I drink this juice, then what will happen? This glass will also get empty, right? Now, let's learn from these pictures. Here, this fridge is full and this fridge is empty. This glass is empty and this glass is full. Here, these cups are full and these cups are empty.
Now, let's learn the concept with some more examples.
Here I have two baskets. This basket is full of vegetables and this basket is empty. Full, empty. Here I have two water bottles. This bottle is full of water and this bottle is empty. Now repeat after me. This bottle is full and this bottle is empty. Now I have two jars. This jar is full and this jar is empty. Full, empty. Here you can see two plastic boxes, right? This box is full of biscuits and this box is empty. Full, empty.
I hope you understood the concept with these examples. But for better understanding, I have one fun game for you. Are you ready to play that game? Yes? Now in this game, I will show you some pictures on your screen. And there are two texts. One is for full and one is for empty. If the answer is full, then put your finger on F. And if the answer is empty, then put your finger on E. Okay? Let's start.
If your answer is full, then put your finger on F. And if your answer is empty, then put your finger on E. Let's start. Here is the first picture. You can see a bucket. Now tell me, is it full or empty? Yes, your answer is right. So I am giving you a star. Now, next picture. Now here you can see a box. Now tell me, box is full or empty? Come on, give me the answer. Yes, your answer is right. The box is full. So again I am giving you a star. Now next picture. Here you can see a trolley. Now tell me, is it full or empty? Come on, give me the answer. Yes, your answer is right. A trolley is empty. So I am giving you a star. Now, next picture. Here you can see a basket. Is it full or empty? Come on, give me the answer. Yes, your answer is right. Basket is full. So, you will get one more star. Very good. Here you can see a tub. Now tell me, is it full or empty? Come on, give me the answer. Yes, you are right. The tub is full of popcorns. So, I am giving you a star. Now, next picture. Here you can see a basket. Now tell me, is it full or empty? Come on, give me the answer. Yes, your answer is right. Basket is empty. So you will get one more star.
Okay, kids, tomorrow we will meet again and revise this concept with some more activities. Bye bye. Enjoy.